Okay, recently I had a problem changing the telephone number on my iPhone. I went into the iPhone and I clicked on sign in and security like I show here. After hitting sign in and security, I hit edit and then hit add phone number. Then click add a phone number. Here I added a new phone number starting with 381 and then I pressed done and it came back and it showed the same phone number as before. So the issue here wasn't the phone itself. It was a problem with the copy process when I did the phone to the new phone. And the only way I could fix it was go to appleid.apple.com and use my cloud logon, and I'll show you what I did. Okay, after you log in, you come up to this screen called Sign In Security. You then click on Account Security on the right. You then click the plus button. You then add your new phone number, in my case 407-381-9087, and you complete done or whatever it requires. I don't have a screenshot of that, so I'm sorry. So you can now see under account security, under two-factor authentication, I have two telephone numbers in my account for my cloud ID. Now, when you go back, you can go to email and phone numbers on the URL for Apple and click the right button next to email and phone numbers, the little blue box I show here. And then you could put the new phone number in there as well. Here I show under email and phone numbers and account security, we have two accounts associated with the cloud ID. Here I show I have two telephone numbers for my trusted phone numbers. And here I show you where you hit the minus sign to remove one of your old phone numbers. And after removing the old phone number, only the new phone number shows. And then when you get back to sign in and security, you can see that I have one phone number and one trusted phone number on the account security for the two-factor authentication and two trusted devices. I haven't taken the other device offline yet, so it shows two. Now, I wanted to let you know that Apple didn't know how to fix this and Verizon didn't know how to fix this. I thought it was a common issue. Both Verizon and Apple had me change it from the phone and it didn't work. They also tried to have me change it from this screen where it says email and phone numbers first, and that wouldn't work. I decided it was a two-factor authentication issue, so I added another phone to the two-factor authentication on the account security, and that worked. Then I was able to add it to the email and phone numbers later on after I set it in the account security. So I hope this helps people with the video. Remember to remove your old phone from your account when you're done. Instead of two trusted security devices, you show one, unless you want to keep the old phone number.